Okay, looking for a quick and easy solution for your camping lighting needs. This is from Allspark, and yeah, this thing is great. So you can see it's foldable, makes it nice and compact, take it with you anywhere, and you can use it in a bunch of different ways. So let's just open that thing up. You have two buttons on the back, and you also have USB-C for charging, and it does come with the cable. So at the bottom, as far as mounting goes, you have a quarter thread here, so you can mount it on like a tripod or other mount. And you also have a little hook right here that lifts up. So if you wanted to hang this up in your tent or somewhere above, like on a tree branch, you can do that. It also comes with this little magnet right here with a hook on it. So if you wanted to hook it onto something metal, you can just do that. So that is very handy, especially if you're working on something in your car or just somewhere where you know it's metal and you just want to hang it that way. Now, because it's folding, it's great because you can also angle it certain ways if you need to. As far as light goes, you have that light up here, and you have the other button that turns on this light down here. It's on the handle. So you can, we'll just go through the different cycles here. We'll turn this one off. So we have just your regular white light, press it again, and you have your warm light, and you have the mix of the two. Then you have like a red light, a flashing red for like SOS, and then off. It does have a battery status indicator on the back, kind of showing you how much battery you have left. This one is full. And as far as the handle part, it does the same light effects as well. So you can change them to do the same thing. Or you can have your own mix match if you want. If you wanted this one red, that one white, yeah, you can just kind of press the two buttons that correspond with those handles and you're good. So a lot of ways to love it. It's kind of like a hard plastic. It's not a cheap plastic, but it's hard, so it makes it lightweight. Take it with you anywhere. It's gonna be weather resistant as well. So great for camping, great for hiking, great for a lot of uses, even like maybe as an emergency flashlight, or even like in your car, if you have an emergency and you want to put out some kind of red flashing lights a little ways back, this is going to get people's attention because it's bright and it works great. So the AK-07s from Allspark, highly recommend them, and thanks for watching.